core system libraries failing because of the FL icon module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. As we get into the manual process for FL icon module, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the FL icon module. This library is a native Windows component responsible for the localized rendering of live, folder icons, and file type overlays in File Explorer. It manages the caching of folder thumbnails to provide a visual preview of their contents. A missing or corrupted Flicon.dll is a primary cause of File Explorer hanging during folder navigation, or displaying generic white sheet icons for all directories regardless of their contents. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol, execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like FL icon module DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the FL icon module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Remember that FL icon module DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing FL icon module dependencies. Thank you for trusting us with FL icon module repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.